As a company, we are a limited liability company.
Okay.
With about 9 shareholders. This company was registered with ADEBE, that is the company registrar.
Yes.
In 2025. 2024.
2024.
Yeah.
I remember.
And it has 9 shareholders who injected capital.
Okay.
All of them are commercial banks. And as a company now, we are a corporate entity, and our work is to operate this market.
Okay.
So we have a market called stock exchange. It's a marketplace, but it is run by a company, which is us. And it is the market is a special place for raising capital because it is a public market. And what is our role as a stock exchange is to run the market, and we run the market by following rules. And it is a market which is driven by rules. And to begin with, for us to be licensed, because we are registered as a company, we are licensed by ARMC, that is the capital market regulator. Once we get the license, we had to show them what our rules are, how we shall be operating, how we are prepared. We tell them about our expectations in the future. When they are satisfied, they give us a license. So that is how we got a license.
So BSE, Burundi Securities Exchange, is a private company?
Yes, it's a private company.
Okay.
It's a private limited liability company.
All right.
Meaning that the capital of the shareholders is, or rather the liability of the shareholders to the company is limited only up to how much they are putting in the company.
All right.
Yes. So, having said that, we are a company, and as you can see, we've got members of staff, employees, who have been trained, and they are capital market professionals. Now, what is unique about the stock exchange is that it is a market which has got a unique structure, in the sense that it is a self-regulatory market. What does that mean? It means we write our own rules.
Okay.
And what are the rules for? Is to set up the market structure, and also the stock exchange is there to enforce those rules. Set up the market structure and enforce those rules. And we report to the regulator.
Okay.
RMC. Now, how are we structured? We are a membership company. What happens is that we help, or it's a marketplace where we bring those who need capital and those who have capital in one place, so that they can transact. Transacting meaning if it's either government, public institution, or a private entity, companies wanting to raise capital, they will come to the stock exchange.
Okay.
They don't know who is going to invest.
All right.
And then there are people with some savings, long-term savings, who are looking for a return on investment.
Okay.
But they don't know the issuer, that enterprise. So we come in, so we put in place rules governing those who are issuing, and we put in place rules governing and protecting those investors.
You know them.
Yes.
You know who investing, and you know who
is coming. But when they meet in the market, they will know each other. What I mean is, can they trust the issuer? Do you get it?
I see.
And the issuer comes to the market, and the first question is, am I really going to get this money?
Okay.
It depends on many things. But what is important for us is that we have got what we call disclosure rules. Disclosure. Disclosure rules mean that any company or entity that comes to the market, they are required to disclose all information that will be useful to the investor to assess the business so that they can make an investment decision.
Okay.
So that is what we do. And by demanding that disclosure, investors are happy. They say, oh, the information, they will ask us, has the company disclosed all the information that is required? Yes. And we even define the standards up to which those companies should disclose the information. So I was just trying to explain to you what is a stock exchange.
Yes.
A stock exchange is a market, but we as BSC, we are a licensed intermediary, and our work is to organize and manage the operations of the market.
Okay. So
So we admit members, and by the way, what I should also explain is that as a company, we have a board of we have shareholders. I mentioned earlier, we have shareholders who are currently mainly banks, and we also have a board of directors representing the shareholders also. And then we have now us here, management, and then we have admitted members of the stock exchange. We call them stock brokers. And then they are the ones now who actually do the business of buying and selling. Our work is to give them the rules. Our work is to train them. And our work is also to promote this market. Now, we do oversight. It's like we are self-regulating ourselves, but we report to the our regulator, ARMC.
Okay.
And what I wanted to say also is that as a stock exchange, because of the need to make these services accessible to the general population, to investors, stock exchanges are associated with putting in place information technology platform.
All right.
So if you ask most people what is a stock exchange, they will tell you it's a platform where you can access shares. But I wanted to explain it in a way that at least people can relate with.
Okay.
Yes, it's a platform. But at the end of the day, what is important is that it is a market. But because businesses have been automated and even digitized to the extent that in many markets, you find that the general public is able to access the market
through their phones.
Yes, through their phones. That's right.
Yeah.
And what I would like to mention is that, as you said, we just launched last month.
Yes.
And we are also in the process of putting in place a platform that will make it easier for investors to access. For instance, you know, when you digitize services, the cost of transaction goes down substantially because sometimes people will only visit an intermediary once, the brokers once. Once they open their account, they go back to where they are coming from, and they continue operating from the phone. So they save a lot of time and the cost of traveling.
Yeah.
And also the advantage of having a digitized platform is because you realize that the stock exchange is based in Bujumbura, the capital city, like most of the other countries. The stock exchanges are usually in the capital cities, in the financial cities, capital centers, and the rest of the centers are served through
applications or through phones.
Exactly.
Yeah.